Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. So today well, before telling you what we are going to cook today, um I am Quinty and here is Quinty Cooks. So you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe how to make creamy marinated chicken. It's very yummy, and as you can see, it's very juicy. Trust me, you will love this. Okay, before we get straight into the video, if you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, hit that like button and notification bell as well. So let's get straight into the video. So get your chicken, poulet, or whatever. You can use meat or whatever stuff you want to use, and get your spices set. And here we have our spices. First of all, we have basil, we have rosemary. These are actually dried spices. You can also use the fresh ones, of course. So we have oregano. You can use the fresh one, of course. It doesn't matter which one you're using, either dry. And here we have meat seasoning. So you have meat seasoning and you have chicken seasoning or whatever. Here what I have here now, this is actually vegetable seasoning. It's optional. You could also use chicken seasoning or whatever seasoning you have in your kitchen. Just look in your kitchen. You have curry. Just look in your kitchen, whatever seasoning you have. You have paprika powder. So, and then we have turmeric. This is turmeric powder, which you're also going to use for this. And we have onion, of course, and we have our Maggi cube. This is Maggi cube, and then we have garlic. So guys, as simple as it is, and of course very important, yogurt. I'm using this was already half, so I'm using like half of this, and one is 150 grams, so altogether it's like 200 grams of butter. This is very important. If you're doing this creamy marinated chicken, know that you need yogurt. That was 200 grams. Did I say butter? Oh my god, sorry, 200 grams of yogurt. So we also use buttermilk. So you just use a quantity of buttermilk, about say 100 milliliters of buttermilk. Yeah, that's it. Use about 100 milliliters of buttermilk, and then now you put in your yogurt. Just mix everything together till the consistency is clear. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this point. If you watched to this point, let me know, and can you please type down in the comment section below, right, juicy, I appreciate your love and support. Just know I love you all so dearly, and let me know if you also have recipe requests for me and what recipes you would like to see on this cooking channel. So yeah, keep watching and see how this has been done. So as you can see, I actually just press my garlics. I don't blend, I just press it. It's actually a very quick and easy recipe, straight to the point. You don't need to put things, look for fresh things to blend or no. That's why it's better to just get the dried spices. Just get your garlics and then just press. You can as well use the dry one. So everything is just fast. One more turmeric because I wanted it to be a little bit colorful. That quantity was not enough. Of course, salt and Maggi to taste. So spring onion is actually my go-to garnishing spice. I actually love to add this in my cooking, and it gives me that flavor, it gives me that aroma, and also adds to the taste of anything I cook in the kitchen. So guys, it's optional. You definitely don't need to do all this, but the main steps are actually what I showed you at the beginning of this video. You can as well do this if you want, but then that's just my own little bit of extra spice. Okay, so now it's set. You have to cover it and let it sit overnight, or let it just be here for more than an hour, but it's preferable to leave this overnight in the fridge. So you have to store this in the fridge, and then just, you see, in the fridge. But if you don't want that, you can as well just leave it for 1 hour, but I advise, I recommend you keep this in the fridge overnight so that you get the best of everything. You see, so that the chicken absorbs all that all that spice, all that sweetness. And then now it's time to put in the oven. Just place on your oven tray and then set into the oven, and you're ready to go. Massive love and hugs for watching to the end of this video. Like seriously, I truly appreciate all you who have watched to this point.